Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about s equals to a secant of t, because if I put this one gone here, we have a square secant of t square, a square. We can do about factorization. Secant of t square minus 1, we change for tan t square, and later that we simplify the square root. Next, we can do about first derivative. So I will put this one gone here. Ds we change for this one. So this one you got a square secant of t square. So a square we can do about factorization. This one we got tan t square. The square root of a square tan t square, we have 8 tan t. So 8 and 8 we have a square. Tan t, we have tan t square. And now we have the formula in here. So we need to transform tan t square, that is about this one. So secant of t multiplied by this one and number 1. And now we need to focus on this one. So this one we have secant of t square. Now we can use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equal to secant of t. So we can do first derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. dv, that is about secant of t square dt. So the integration of this one, we have v equals to secant, equal to of tan t. So we have u multiplied by v minus we have the u multiplied by v. So we have the integration secant of t tan t square dt. So tan t square, that is about secant of t square minus number 1. So secant of t with secant of t square, that is about secant of t to the power of 3. And the next one, secant of t, and we see that negative and negative, we have positive. And now we have the integration secant of t dt. So this one equals to this one. So this one I will put on the right. And now we have like this. Next, this one you got number 2. Next, we divide both sides by number 2. So this one, that is about Ln of the absolute value of secant of t plus tan t, and I will put about c. And now we need to return back to this one. So this one, we have this one in here. And this one, that is about this one. So 1 over 2 minus number 1, that's it from here. So we have negative 1 over 2. And this is the final answer. And now about t, that is about this one. So we need to divide both sides by 8. And now we can find the value of t equal to a secant of s over 8. And now we need to put this one to change for t. So secant with our secant, we have s over 8. This is the end. Thank you for watching. Here is about the full answer of the question in here.